Say, old MacDonald had a farm.
Yeah.
And on this farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O. With a moo moo here and a You don't need that, we just changed you. Can you sit down on the couch? Did you go see Daddy? Did you have fun? Nope, not gonna play with that. I just changed you. How many shoes are there? 2. Is that a sock? And a shoe? I love you. I love you. Oh. Can you say hi?
Hi.
How are you?
Go. Look, there's the book.
Oh yeah? What are you doing with those shoes?
You.
Those are your socks?
Go.
1.
You.
Ew. 3. No. It goes 1, 2. That's a sock. Sock. You're such a silly goose. Time's almost up. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Avocado.
I love you.